Hello guys, welcome back to another reaction video here on Our Eyes Your Eyes. I'm ready to watch episode 27 of A Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood, but before starting this video I just want to remind you to subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell and follow me in this long adventure of this anime. Okay, last episode was something unbelievable. Let's see what's going to happen now. Are you ready? It's time to watch it. Oh, Henai. Edward's mom. Pinako. But Pinako is the... But Pinako is not the grandma. I mean the granny. Oh my, I told you. He lived so long. Oh, drachma, Greece. Yeah, but... Huh? I don't understand. Yeah, but they are doing this already. Listen who speaks. Wait, but it's the same. Is that the father? It's himself talking to himself. I don't understand. Of course. There will be a difference. No, it's not useless. Exactly. You shouldn't be fine. Who is this man? I mean, he's the same. No. What? What? So he's an homunculus too? Oh my, he's an homunculus too. Ma no. She's Trisha, right? I agree. Yes. Trisha. Why are you doing stuff like this? Why? No, you lived that life. It's not a dream. Look, this reaction at this time was a little bit shorter because I realized that that was just a recap episode somehow in which they showed us the things we already know. But look, wait a second. The Pinnacle who is so talking to Ohenheim, she's the granny. She's together with the Weary right now. And Ohenheimer was there since that moment. That means he is an homunculus and he has a longer life, and that's why he has the same appearance years after year. But look, I was speechless because I didn't know at the beginning what was going on. Of course, I think the other person that is appearing that has the same face as Ohenheim is his conscious. And he's the other side of himself who tries to convince him that what he's doing is right, but on the other side there is the young Pinnacle and then even Trisha saying to him that he is wrong. There are these two different opinions, these are two different ways to see life that are trying to convince somehow Ohenheim to know what to do and to decide what to do, because he is not alone, he has a family, and just by having a family you should feel strong, you should feel powerful, because if you're able to handle a family and to go on with all of your family throughout the years, that's a great mission, and not all people can do this. But what Trisha says at the end of the episode is totally correct. You should understand that you're looking up on humans as if they are fragile and as if they are useless, as if they are powerless, as if they are meaningless. But this is something wrong, because Trisha said that no matter if we are weaker, no matter if we are inferior somehow than immortality, at the end of the day we have the possibilities to increase our abilities. We have the chances to grow and to become stronger. And people who already have everything, people who pretend to be God, people pretend to find the easy path to reach a goal that is just a mere goal, yeah, at the end of the day, you realize that by having everything, you didn't struggle for anything. So human beings are not weak. They are lacking of something at the beginning, but they try their best to reach it. And by doing this, they grow, they become better, or they can become stronger. They have these possibilities just because they are not perfect. And human beings are spending their own life, all their lives, to reach goals, to be better, to push themselves, to not give up. And by doing this, creating this type of path, they become better. They will not become perfect, but that's not a problem because nobody will be. Oh, and I'm too. No matter if he's an homunculus, no matter if he gains immortality, no matter what, he's not going to reach perfection. He is just his ideal, because he will lack of something too. And now he's not realizing this, but I think that in the future, the more he goes on like this, he will definitely understand this. You're just blind right now because you think that immortality and becoming superior than human beings is the ultimate goal, or is something that brings you happiness. But no, sooner or later it will bring you lots of pain and loneliness. And in fact, now Hohenheim is pretty lonely. His family is away from him. He is creating this sort of pyramid, this sort of hierarchy of pain, of bad things, and that's something not to be proud of. So I totally understand what Pinako and what Trisha are saying. That's so beautiful. At the end of the episode, they are saying, try to remember those things you did with us, because those things can make you happy for real. And even if we are about to die, you spent your life as best as you could. And that's the best thing to do. Okay guys, for this episode, that is it. Hope you enjoyed. Stay tuned because next episode I think we will restart with the usual story. Can't wait to watch it. Thank you so much for the support. Subscribe to the channel, click on the notification bell. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.